How to make and create letterhead on Canva PC in easy, fast way. Hello guys, so what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com, log into your account. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top here, click on create a design and search for letter and click on letterhead option like this. Now here you will find many options and templates. As you can see, choose one of these, for example this one. Now you can add your logo from here, your text, you can add those things. After you finish editing this template, go to share and download it. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.